We're going to do two examples on property insurance, one on a deductible and one on co-insurance. Most insurance plans have a deductible, and it is a dollar amount that you would pay before your insurance would kick in and pay the remaining value. So if we look at question number 8 first, and this gives how to use a deductible. So we have a fire. It causes $1,810 worth of damage, and they have a deductible of $250. That means that the family has to pay $250 and the insurance company will pay the rest. So to figure out how much the insurance company pays, we take the amount of damage and subtract the deductible. That works out to $1,560 that is paid by the insurance company. Next, we'll look at an example using co-insurance in addition to a deductible. Some policies will have co-insurance instead of a deductible. Some will have it in addition to a deductible. So current co-insurance is similar in that it is a percentage of the amount of claim that the person who owns the home or the item would pay before the insurance company would pay the rest. So in question number 11, we have a home that's valued at $400,000, and they have a 90% co-insurance policy, which means that the homeowner is supposed to carry insurance for 90% of the value of the home. So for part A, we want to figure out what's their required co-insurance. We want to find 90% of the value of the home. That works out to be $360,000. Now, this family, for some reason, only chose to insure their home for $320,000. Now, they might do that because they know that their premiums will be less, so the amount that they pay every month will be smaller, but it also means that they'll have to pay a larger amount when and if they have a claim. So what they have is a $500 deductible plus their co-insurance that they would have to pay for a claim. In this case, they have wind damage to their roof that is worth $4,100. So we're going to use this formula up here to figure out their co-insurance. Their co-insurance rate, they've only got $320,000 worth of insurance, and their co-insurance was supposed to be $360,000. That works out to 8/9, meaning that their insurance company will pay 8/9 of the cost to repair whatever item they need to have repaired. Finally, we want to figure out their total out-of-pocket cost versus the insurer's cost. The insurance company is going to pay 8/9 of the total cost minus the deductible. So the total cost of the damage was $4,100. The deductible is $500, so the family would pay that $500 out of pocket. That works out to $3,200. So with the deductible and with the co-insurance, the damage would be $4,100 and the insurance company would pay $3,200. The remaining part is what the family pays.